Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1958 Chrysler Imperial. This comes from Brian in Climax, Michigan. Thank you, Brian, for your business all the way from Michigan. Brian has requested the modern FM conversion and the Bluetooth features, and of course he gets an aux input as well, free of additional charge. And so let's go ahead and turn it on and check everything out. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get in my area, so here we go.
We're going to follow him. That's
AM.
Right. We're going to go to YouTube. We're going to look up Mr. Reagan right now.
And while we get on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate the balance and fader controls.
USA. He's my co-host. He's my CPAC buddy. He is a warrior extraordinaire.
Front rear fader.
Whoops.
Got to start at the center position.
Season for a few more weeks.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're adjusting front,
if so,
rear,
we are partnering up
all the way front, all the way rear. Okay, got to center them.
On the ground in 17 nations, taking food.
Fader
set. Okay, left, right balance.
Are suffering.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now we're all the way left, all the way right, left, right.
Now,
okay, center them.
Just a one-time donation of $72.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
If you double that to
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to go to FM, and we do that by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all five presets set to FM stations in my area. You don't need this anymore.
Valores, formación y mucho más.
Whoops.
Todo visto desde nuestra fe católica. Escúchanos. 6 de la tarde por tu estación.
Okay, so there we go. We have AM, FM, and Bluetooth operation. I've already checked the dial lights. You won't see them, number one, because of the angle. This thing has a big old bracket in the middle of the bottom, so I couldn't put it on my cute little tilt stand so you could see the dial better. But the lights do work. I actually had to remove the cover to make sure they're lighting up and back because I couldn't really see it on the dial. So we're good to go here, and I'm ready to get on to the next video after I pack this one for shipping and all that stuff. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website that's in the description below. And please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all your questions will be answered on the work order. That's what it's for. It's designed for customers to be able to make their selections without taking me off the bench for 15 minutes. After you have a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you. But as far as the 15-minute barrage of questions, please do that with the work order, and then by the time you call me, it's just to have a quick chat, make sure you can trust me, stuff like that. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Brian, for your business all the way from Climax, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.